Hey guys, this is Car Super Blog again, and I have a quick video. As you can see, I'm doing some work on my 5 Series. It is 3-liter automatic diesel. I am going to clean the airflow sensor. I have an error, and before replacing it, I have read on forums that this can help. It's just a airflow sensor cleaner. You can get any brand. I got this one for like $5, €4. Don't be afraid, you don't have to remove all this. I'm doing another job while I'm at it. You just need to remove the air filter top, this plastic and the air filter. And then the airflow sensor is right here. I disconnected this just to see if the connections are bad. They're good. So my only hope before replacing it is cleaning it. Of course, it would be better to remove it, but it's kind of bitchy to get in here. There's a very annoying screw, so I just left it as it is, and now I'll try to clean it from here. You can see the sensor goes in like this, so it's more or less in the middle, right here. So the way I do it is I take this cleaner and spray it everywhere. Oh, maybe we need some light. Let's see if I can. No. Battery dead, sorry. Anyway, right here. Just spray it everywhere and hope to get it. They're tiny contacts that measure the airflow. This thing is not dangerous. It's going to evaporate, so it's not going down to the system or anywhere else. So I just sprayed a few times. This is actually the third time I'm doing this. Then I'll see if it helps. Thank you for watching. That was a quick guide how to clean the airflow sensor before you replace it. Bye.